So that is more easier because we already have done multiple things on the menu. Like every section we work on the menu and I place some coding. So you replace the top one, sliding on that one. But the one that you showed me was a pinned menu. It's very easier. If we pinned a menu on the bottom of the side, it will appear everywhere. For that, we have to remove all those that we already have done. We can do that, but that is very simple thing.
Okay, so I think let's leave it the way that we're doing it now. Let's not pin it.
Okay.
But do you see now I'm on the philosophy page?
Mm-hmm.
And when I move it, the line is like grouped with the nav. Whereas on home, it's the line is not grouped with it. Yes. Yeah, can we make it so that it's like the philosophy one?
I can fix that and I can make it more smoother. Yes.
Home one was the one that I made, maybe, which was terrible.
Yeah.
And so you can make it like philosophy, approach, all of these ones are good. Okay, awesome. Yeah, so if you can make the home like that, that would be great.
Yeah.
And then this, it comes on as you scroll. I was wondering if this one can just be on page load.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, so that one doesn't need to scroll. It's like the gallery, like when you go to gallery.
Yeah, the normal one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And that's on all.
For all the single services pages, like all those pages.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly right. Just have it turned on the same as gallery.
Okay.
Connect. Okay, connect. We have this one here, but can we just put it there like how it is on
homepage?
The philosophy. Yeah.
Yeah. Obviously.
Yeah. So it's like every page that has a big image like this, it's on the bottom. And
there is a menu. Yeah.
All the other, it's just on the top.
Got you. I'll do that.
One more look at like all of the breakpoints if you haven't done that yet.
Yeah. I was going through, but when your last message come up, I stop and I wait for you. That's it. I will do that right today, and maybe right now.
Okay, perfect.
I am here.
Okay, yeah. You can, and so perfect. Just go through the different breakpoints and make sure everything is nice and tidy.
Yeah.
And so if there's something that I need like a specific time for, I'll tell you. And then if I don't, then you can just tell me when you can have it done by. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
Sometimes when I need it by, and other times you can say, yep, I can do that, and I can have it done I'll have it done on Tuesday or whatever. So sometimes I know exactly when I need it, and other times, if you're able to help, you can just tell me when you can have it
complete. Okay, yes. I will always add the deadline that what I am doing and how long it will take. Okay, got you.
Perfect.
I'll go through that.
And it can be an estimate, it can be an estimate. Most times, I'll tell you, if there's something that we really need to have a certain day, I'll tell you. If not, we can just work in estimates.
Yeah, the emergency one that you need within 24 hours or with something like that, or in 6 hours or 1-2 hours. You will note me. You'll just put a text like, I need this right now. I'll do my best for you.
Yeah. And then you can say I can or I can't.
Yeah. If I cannot, I'll notify you.